In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your Panasonic TV won't turn on, but you see a red light. So whether your television won't turn on or it won't turn on and you see a flashing red light or a solid red light, then there's actually a couple of things we can do to fix this issue. Now, the most common method of fixing this is just to perform what's known as a hard reset. So in order to do this, we first just need to power off our television, and then we're going to come round to the main power supply. Now, once you've located the main power supply for your television, you're just going to unplug the power cord like so, and you need to leave this unplugged for around about 90 seconds. At the same time of this power cord being unplugged, we then need to come around to the physical television, and you should be able to locate a power button on the actual television device itself. Now, this can be located either underneath the television or sometimes around the back of the television as well. It really depends on your model of TV. Now, once you've located the power button on the TV, you'll also need to hold this button down for 30 seconds, and that's going to drain any residual power left in the television. Now, if for some reason you can't find this power button on the television, then what you can do instead is just hold the power button down on your television remote control, and this will also drain any residual power left. So once you've held this button down for 30 seconds, we can then release the power button. And as long as 90 seconds have now passed, we can then plug the television back into the power, and you could try turning on your TV and checking to see if it turns on. If it's not working, the next solution is just to check for any HDMI cables running to the back of your television. Sometimes if you have a faulty HDMI connection, this can give the illusion that your TV's not turning on, whereas in fact it's just due to the faulty HDMI. So I'm just going to come around the back here and unplug all of my HDMI cables, and then once again you can check to see if that solves your issue. If it's still not working, another thing worth trying is to actually replace the power cord. So if you have another television in your house, then you can try using this one temporarily just to try and rule out an issue with the actual power cord. And hopefully by following all of these steps, your TV should now be turning on. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.